Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now these are some of the largest, some are under construction, some are built already. But these are the tallest ones in Jamaica. Now there are some buildings that were announced or that are in the works, but the plans have not been approved. So this list just includes buildings that are built already or those that have been approved and construction has started. Alright, so the tallest building in Jamaica is actually 4 buildings. Though the Pinnacle development in Montego Bay has 4 towers that are 28 floors each. And those 4 buildings will be the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica. I'm not sure how they'll rank them 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess at the end of the day it's going to be the measurements. But the 4 towers at the Pinnacle are the Swallowtail, the Canary, the Hummingbird, and the Phoenix. So those are the 4 tallest buildings in Jamaica. And construction has started. So these 4 will be located in Montego Bay. 1 tower will be a hotel and the others will be residential. Now the 5th tallest building in Jamaica is the Ascent in Kingston, and that one is going to be 27 floors. And that's going to be a mixed-use building, some commercial floors, some residential floors. I think I even heard a hotel might be in there, but it's definitely mixed use. Now, number 6 is the Rogers, and the Rogers is actually under construction. The Ascent is also under construction. The Rogers is 20 floors, also located in Kingston, and it is a residential building. Now it's under construction and they have reached 20 floors, so the roof is on. So this building, as of today, holds the title as tallest building in Jamaica. The Pinnacle Towers and the Ascent, they have broken ground, but they have not reached 20 floors yet. Now, so those are the 6 tallest buildings, all under construction. And the Rogers is a residential. It's going to be used for residential apartments. Okay, so now the next 4 are all built. So at number 7 is the Pegasus at 17 floors. Now, up to a year ago, the Pegasus was the tallest building in Jamaica, but the Rogers has passed it. So the Pegasus is number 7 in terms of tallest buildings in Jamaica. In terms of completed buildings, it's number 2. Number 8 is a Scotiabank Center. This one is located in downtown Kingston. The Pegasus is located in New Kingston. The Scotia Center is located in downtown Kingston, and it's actually the tallest building in downtown Kingston. Number 9 is the Moon Palace Hotel. This used to be Sunset Jamaica Grand Tower 2, but it's now the Moon Palace, and that's the 9th tallest building in Jamaica. It's a hotel. The Scotiabank Center is actually commercial. And the 10th tallest building in Jamaica is the Wyndham. Now, the Wyndham is a hotel. The building operated as a hotel, but the hotel was closed and is being renovated. The building is going to reopen, or the hotel will reopen, but it probably is going to reopen under another name. But it's now called Project 77 because the address is 77 Knutsford Boulevard, and that's the project to get this building up and running again. So those are the 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. That some are built, some are under construction, but this will be the list in probably This is the list of the tallest buildings. All these buildings have been approved. Now, Jamaica has a lot more buildings under construction. A lot more. We will go through those in future videos. But for now, these are the 10 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also leave your comments in the section below. Now we will give you videos of all these buildings, give you the updates on the ones under construction and also the ones that are finished. But for this video, we're just giving you a list of the 10 tallest buildings. Alright guys, have a good day.